us on YouTube. Watch TY38.
Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do. We done made it to this first stop today. We out here in, I'm not sure what side of Nashville this is. I think we more in Donaldson, but it's right outside of Nashville. But today we doing this Mercedes-Benz AMG 300 edition. We already got majority of the car knocked out. I just wanted to hurry up and do this before I forget, because like I said, I got so much going on this morning. After this, I got to run over to Sonesta Inn, do a couple of commercial vehicles for them and things like that. But like I said, if you look at the car, it's a pretty nice looking car. Car came out well. Wheels was kind of dirty, but now the wheels look real clean. These wheels was pretty easy to clean. Like I try to explain to y'all, with a lot of these wheels, try to get inside of here, you know, real good to clean it. You know what I mean? That's really the most arduous part of it, because it's so, if you see how my finger is going through right here, but then right here is barely going in there. So basically having the right utensils and brushes and things like that to get in there. You know, some people actually got brushes to clean within the lug nuts, things like that. And I always tell you, always make sure you clean it within the wheel well. But like I said, we already got the exterior of the car done. We already got this side of the car done. Like I said, it really wasn't much. It's not really that bad. It seemed like it's a brand new car. Like I said, I like the doors, how they have the panels protruding off the door. Like if I say, when they say protruding, it's basically sticking off the door. But you know, these are pretty cool seats. I like how the seats also look like they got a protruding look, how it's sitting out of the chair, stuff like that. So that's real cool design. Like I said, Mercedes-Benz always doing something different when it comes to their cars. Even like with the vents, they always was doing something definitely different with their vents. You see they got the monitors now. I will admit, a lot of these big monitors, I think a lot of car companies stole that from Tesla, because Tesla was really one of the first cars I seen with that big old monitor going across. But we still need to do the windows. If you see the windows, still got marks on them and stuff. Like I said, the whole car clean. We just vacuuming right now. Like I said, this side vacuum, if you look over there, it got your typical breed, your sticks, your twigs, you know, rocks, pebbles, things like that. She got a dog, like she got a labradoodle. So I got a little bit of dog here. But I'm about to go ahead and finish cleaning the car. Like I said, I just need to do the other side of the car. So I'm gonna take the vacuum over there, start on the other side of the car. We got a few cars to do at Sonesta Inn, then I gotta go do a job at FedEx. You know that FedEx job don't really take that long. But y'all already see the car right here. It's a beautiful Mercedes-Benz. We'll go ahead and get to doing what I'm doing, man, so I can stay on time. Today's high supposed to be 81 degrees. If you look, weather look real nice. The sun shining. But other than that, I'm in this little community. But on that note, I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute, man. Peace. Detail world, man. We done finished this car right here. I already gave you a quick glimpse of what the car looked like inside, exterior, interior. But I'm gonna go ahead and park it, let her know we done. It's a new customer. We actually got information off Google. But on that note, like always, man, do what you gotta do. And if you're new to the channel, man, hit that subscribe button. And if you're not new to the channel, you still haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Comment, and I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do. Yes, man, we at the second appointment right now. I'm just showing y'all the interior of this thing. We're actually doing a shuttle van for Sonesta Inn out here on Elm Hill Pike in Nashville, Tennessee. But they just really want the interior of the car detail. So we're gonna go over here and detail all this up, make spruce all this up, get it looking real good, wipe down the cup holder, shampoo these seats and things. So we got 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15 seats to shampoo, hit up. We're gonna clean this floor real thoroughly good, and we're gonna do the front part right here, and then we done. But you see what it looked like. Definitely a little dirty right here, so we're gonna make sure we get the cup holders clean, wipe down all the dashboards and everything, and then we're gonna make sure we clean each seat thoroughly. You see, I already got the vacuum right on here, so we can vacuum each seat, shampoo them, and as we go, we're gonna shampoo the floor, clean the floor thoroughly. But like always, man, y'all know that I'm trying to just do what I have to do, you know, because I work hard, man. Like, I put a lot of time in, and sometimes it just seems like it's not efficient enough, man. And it's like the money sometimes is not sufficient. And I know I do a very adequate job, but sometimes it seems like the money's not adding up. But, you know, I don't want to sometimes feel as though I'm making people pay me more than what the services are. But, you know, I got to think about inflation, and things went up, you know, from mortgage, from everything went up. And it's like, I've lost numerous of customers over the years because I've raised my prices just $10, $15 more. And I can understand that $10, $15 more can hurt people that's on a budget, and just getting your car clean is putting that in your budget is not really a priority, you know. But on that note, I'm still grateful that a lot of people still use my services. A good friend of mine, the guy I actually do True Lounge TV with, the guy Pierre, he work up here, and he actually got me the contract right now to do 3 of their shuttle vans and 1 of their vehicles. And I'm gonna go ahead and knock them out today. Then I still got one job to go do after this. But on that note, like always, man, we stay dedicated over here, Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. You see it on the shirt, man. If you're in Nashville, you want to use this service, man, call me at 615-485-8449, or you can reach me at yourmobiledetail@gmail.com, or you can reach me on Instagram at Your Way Mobile. And like I say, go check out my kids channel. We only got 5 subscribers over there, and I appreciate y'all. Just hit a few subscribe on my kids channel. Y'all ain't never go to watch it. We trying to build a channel up over there. It's called Young World TV. And we also got True Lounge TV, and eventually I'm gonna change the channel name to TY38 TV. You know what I mean? We're gonna continue dropping this content. And the next thing, we got Cracker Barrel video coming up. We went to Casa Fiesta. We got that video coming up. I'm trying to get another episode of Looking to an Entrepreneur up. It's hard to really get with people, try to get on their schedule, my schedule, and work and actually do these interviews. But I do appreciate the few people that have let me do it. Got my man P here write me, but I'm about to go ahead and start on this work, man. I'm showing y'all what we got going, and I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. All right, y'all. All right, we just finished the interior of this bus, man. We got it looking all nice and clean, so we finna go ahead and just continue working. They got another car for me to do, but car came my way. Y'all remember how dirty it was right there, cup holders, things like that. But I'm gonna go ahead and catch y'all in a minute. Peace. No, look. Detail World, what it do, man. But yeah, man, like I said, today we just doing the interior details on these 2 vehicles here. We just did this GMC Arcadia, and we also just did that van, but we just got the car done. Not really, wasn't that bad, so you know, we just finished it. We go to man of the hour, come get the car. You want me to go there and stuff like that?
Yeah, you want to do it. You're not gonna get to do the handicap stuff. Do you want to do the truck?
The Tahoe? Not today.
Okay.
Yeah, that's gonna take a while.
Go to the other shuttle?
Detail World, what? Y'all like, we already heard this and seen this. No, this is the other bus we actually here to do. We actually had to come down to Firestone because the bus is getting brakes and stuff. But we made it to the next video. Once again, this is a 15-passenger bus for the Sonesta Inn. I'm gonna get in here and do the same thing I did with the other bus. I'm gonna get in here and clean the floors thoroughly, hit these seats up, hit this seat up, wipe all this down, and then, man, we done, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and get all the equipment out, get my vacuum, bring it over here. Go ahead and shoot, wop, wop, bam, head to the next stop. We still got one more stop today, and it's the FedEx job. But other than that, man, like always, man, we stay dedicated over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. And we take so much pride in whatever we do. So on that note, whatever you doing in life, man, take pride in it, man. Remember, stick to the script. Love thyself and believe in you. Because you got to believe in you even when you don't believe. And on that note, man, I'm going to catch you at the next one, man. Peace. Well, not the next one. When I'm done with this car. Peace. All right, Detail World. We just finished that work van. Like I said, it wasn't really much. It was an easy clean. So we already gone ahead and got it done. Now we about to head to this last job, which is FedEx. But look like it's gonna rain, but they say it's no rain in the forecast. But I'm gonna head over there. It's probably gonna take us about 15 minutes to get over there. But like always, man, we take pride in what we do over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. So make sure you take pride in whatever you're doing, man. And on that note, we're gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail World, what it do, man. We done made it out here at FedEx facility out here on Logistics Way out here in Laverne, Tennessee. And if you look, they got plenty of vehicles whenever they're ready for me to do them, to knock them out. So right now, we're just working on this one right here. We already got the adhesive off. You can see how thick the adhesive is on here. You see it. You can actually see the whole word, FedEx.com, blah, 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 blah. But, and we got to get it up. We actually got to get from up there too. But if you look at this door, it already came off. Looks wonderful, looks great, you know what I mean? So like I tell y'all, man, we take so much pride in the work we do over here, man. So on that note, man, if you know you got something going on in life, just continue to be with it. Don't get down on it because it's not making the moves and the money or whatever that you wanted to make at the moment, because it takes time to build everything up, man. It took me time to build this business up. This ain't nothing that just happened overnight, man. I've been at this for 8-9 years now. But on that note, I'm gonna go ahead and continue the job. If you look at the sky, it looks like it's gonna rain. I'm not sure if it's gonna rain, but it looks like it's gonna rain. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this job before it do, and I'm gonna catch you in a minute. Peace. Detail World, what it do, man. We didn't finish this unit. Like I said, I had much to do. I just had to take the adhesive off on both sides of the door and up there. If you look, it came out completely right. But bad thing about it, I need to take photos of the vehicle, and my phone died, and I basically need the email to see what photos I need to take, and stuff like that. But I'm gonna go ahead and do what I need to do, take the photos as best as possible from this way. But I'm gonna go ahead and get going, head home, try to start the rest of this day. And on that note, I'll catch y'all later, man. Oh yeah, one love, man. Peace, love, don't stress it. Hold on, my camera got shit all on the lens, Jesus Christ. All right, well, we got the lens looking clean, I guess. But like I say, one love, like always, love thyself. And on that note, like always, man, peace.
Cause I was on YouTube watching TY 38.